If I had to argue between thick and thin clients, I think I would argue in favor of thin. I say this because it just seems a lot more efficient. Um, Basically, at utilizing the resources, I think. Um, and it just seems like it would be faster because I just feel like everything would all be located on the server. So, like the software, the data, the processing would all be located on the server versus thick where the client basically has to pull across across the network from the server, which I mean would increase network usage. So you would definitely see a lot less network usage in thin versus thick. Or yeah. um on the client side programming, you would basically be writing code or like creating an app or a program that'll run on the client machine, and it would just interact with the server versus on the server side where you're creating a code that will actually be running on the server itself, and that's exactly where it would be held. It would be held on the server, and then the client would basically just get a display of that. So, kind of like going back to network usage when we talked about thick versus thin clients. With thick clients, the network usage, like I said before, usually increases because the data has to be transferred. So, you're going to have to transfer the data between the server and the client. Versus thin, where usually the network usage is decreased. Because all the data and the processing is occurring on the server itself.